like so good. Kale from the garden. I promise it will taste good. I really looked this up. Bruh. I rate this a 3 out of 10. Hi guys, my name is Sullivan, and in this video I'm going to be showing you what a week of eating looks like for me. I'm definitely a massive foodie, but I also want to hit my gym goals and keep my meals pretty high protein, so this week is a good depiction of how I balance the two. I hope you enjoy this video and find some recipe inspiration. For some reason, I chose to begin this week on a Thursday, so we're starting out the week with a matcha latte. I always use oat milk when I make matcha just because I think it tastes better. Wow, that looks like a nice coffee. It is 7:54 right now. I'm craving French toast, so let's make some breakfast. I recently learned that French toast can actually be a reasonably healthy breakfast depending on how you make it. No. In the mixture, I like to use 1 egg to around 100 grams of egg whites, some milk, cinnamon, and vanilla. And for toppings, I added sugar-free syrup, berries, some yogurt, and peanut butter. Demolished. Now time to do all of the dishes. So I just worked out. I'm gonna go make a little post-workout shake smoothie thing. Whoa, wait, that made way too much smoothie. I'm back from the walk and I am so sleepy, and now I'm wearing my pajamas because that was like 20k steps and I will not be leaving the house again. It's almost time for dinner. My dad is making some fish tacos, so I'm gonna go check if it's ready. What are you making else? The refried beans?
Refried beans, that's it.
Whoa.
Yeah, just like in there, you can feel it all of a sudden. It's just really it's a big day.
I'm running to the store to grab some peanut butter because they have this peanut butter that's like pressed in store on sale, and I also just want some ice cream bars. I told my mom, I was like, don't buy me any ice cream bars because if they're in the house then I'm gonna eat them, and they hurt my stomach, but now I'm regretting it because I really want to eat them.
Waiting for the lucky one, my sweetheart.
Success.
You'll just drink too much and smoke.
Dang, my remaining years is up.
Hey, Mr. Excellent choice.
My secret avocado toast ingredient is the Starbucks Sriracha Spicy Chili Sauce. Bag. They're so pretty.
So yeah, these guys, and it's
I just got back from the gym and I'm eating what I call my apple nachos. So basically it's just an apple. Then I mix together Greek yogurt. Wait, what do I even put in here? Hang on. Sometimes some protein powder, some raspberries, a rice cake, some granola, and there's some dark chocolate in here too. I'm just packing my things right now to go down to the beach, which is about a 2-hour drive away from us. So we're just gonna go for the night. We're gonna get dinner. We're gonna go for some walks. After arriving at the beach, I snacked on some peanut M&Ms and these Hippies chickpea puffs, which are actually so good. And then we went for a walk, but it was so foggy that you couldn't see the beach. You couldn't see like anything. And then we headed into town to grab some Thai food for dinner. If other rolls don't come, I'm gonna be really sad. I just want a couple scoops of chicken. There you go. We are currently getting some pastries for breakfast, and I also brought my overnight oats from home that I made yesterday. So I'm gonna have a little bite of my parents' pastries, even though my dad was like, you're not allowed to have any of my pastry because he wants to eat them all, but I'm just gonna have a little bite. The previous day, I had made these overnight oats by combining oats, flax seeds, banana, yogurt, protein powder, cinnamon, raspberries, and oat milk, and then I mixed it up before adding some peanut butter and some more oat milk, and then I just put the top on and stick it in the fridge overnight. So good. It tastes like vanilla, raspberry, peanut butter, oats, which is basically what it is, I guess. It's literally 11 a.m. but I want some soup, so I think I'm gonna have some leftovers. Soup time, even though it's like 100 degrees outside. Wait, what a cute doggy.
Secrets we tell each other.
I forgot my phone upstairs, but I just wanted to show you that I made a little bowl of cantaloupe and strawberries that we just got from the farm. So good.
Yeah, that's good. Actually let it kind of warm up.
Left on the counter?
Oh.
It's not on the CM, but you just...
I mean, if I kept the water, turn the cup away or the lid.
The pizza is good.
But now I'm just watering twice. Driving home.
For breakfast, I started by stabbing this potato like 8 million times and sticking it in the microwave to cook it. So I just put it on one side for 4 minutes and then flip it and put it on the other side for 2 to 3 minutes. I grabbed some strawberries that we had just picked and sliced them up. And of course I had to spill one on myself and get it all over my shirt. And then I just sliced up the sweet potato and added some vanilla yogurt on top. Trust the process. And then I added some chopped up strawberries, some granola, and some peanut butter on top of that. This might seem like a weird food combo, but I promise it is like so good. If you haven't tried sweet potatoes in a sweet dish, you are missing out. Typically, I would use almond butter instead of peanut butter, but I don't have any right now.
Constantly checking it. What we're about to say it. Really what it's worth. Is it our 2 cents? Or is it nonsense? All these things that we unearth. But they've come from inside us and we can no longer.
I just finished at the park because it was getting like so busy, and this sunscreen like makes me turn white. It's like super thick and you can see it on my bathing suit. I am going to go to the Asian supermarket because I have an exciting recipe to make tomorrow and I want to stock up on the things today. Super weird side note, I'm reading this book, Hotel on the Corner of Bitter and Sweet. I found this in one of the little free library things. All of the characters are named my parents' first and middle names. They mention the grocery store that I'm going to today. I read that today and I was like, I'm literally going to that grocery store right now. I'm actually so excited to go there. I haven't been there in so long and I used to go there as a kid all the time. I just finished my grocery shopping and it actually was kind of pricey. I had to get a little snack because I'm really hungry. It's like 2:30 and I haven't eaten lunch yet. Some guy's staring at me. So I got this shoyu chicken manapua. So yummy. I'm super duper slacking on protein today, so I'm just drinking a vanilla protein shake with some raspberries inside and I'm editing a video. All I eat in the summer is fruit, if this counts as fruit. For breakfast, I had eggs, smoked salmon, some potatoes, and some zucchini. And for a pre-workout snack, I had a rice cake with peanut butter, strawberries, and honey. I'm currently making a smoothie with some kale from the garden, a half a banana, some cucumber, blueberries and strawberries, and then some dark chocolate chips that I crushed up, a scoop of protein, and some oat milk too. Might not look that pretty, but I promise it will taste good. So I went to Vietnam a couple months ago. If there is something I missed from Vietnam, it is the beef pho. I have decided to attempt to make it today and I'm actually really scared because I am not a chef by any means. I was like Googling like what does simmer mean?
So, I'm scared.
It's 3 p.m. right now and I'm giving myself some room because I know that there might be some mistakes and it might take longer than expected. I really looked this up.
Bruh.
I wish I was joking. I started out by charring the onions and the ginger, and then I washed all the bones and the meat and I put it into a big pot with some water to pre-boil it. I didn't have any cheesecloth, so I cut a piece of my dad's old shirt and wrapped the spices in it, and then I drained off all the yucky stuff from the bones and the meat, and I put it all back into a big pot where I added the sugar and the salt, and I covered it and simmered for 3 hours. My dad got so many more strawberries. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. While it was simmering, I chopped up all of the veggies. There's lime, there's green onion, there's cilantro, and some hot chili peppers. And then finally, when it was done, I dumped it into a different pot and strained it and added some fish sauce. And then I assembled the pho with the brisket that was cooking in the pot as well.
It just has
Okay, first you take like 700 limes and squeeze them in, because if you don't do this, then it's not good. Green onions and sprouts, I'll put it in there.
How much do we put in there?
No, your guys does, but mine doesn't. Maybe it's because I overcooked my noodles.
A variety of different settings.
So bad.
Why do you think so? I may need to work home, if they're home.
I rate this a 3 out of 10. I am just popping in to say that I actually reheated the pho the next day, and it was so good because I scraped off the layer of fat that had like congealed on the top of the pot, and it actually tasted like restaurant quality pho. So I actually would make this recipe again, and I think I could do it way better the next time.
Congealed stuff.
Yeah. Unfortunately, that was a complete and utter fail, but I tried my best. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video and got some inspiration for meals that even a girl who can't cook can cook. If you enjoyed, make sure to like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.